Today we have Charizard EX! Woo woo! My wife was cruising the old Walmart and she sent me this, and I've always kind of wanted to open this one because I do like Charizard. And I thought, you know what? I know it's probably a overprinted card, but why not? Looks like we're gonna do it this way. So let's see what we got here. What is that? Oh, it's a stand. Oh, nice. You know what? Here, let me pause, get that. Set that right there. We got some sleeves. We have some. Ooh, it's a hard case. Well, that's interesting. Check that out. I guess I can grade my own card and put it in there. Or put that Charizard in there. Maybe that's what it's for. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have Charmander, Charmeleon, and the man, the myth, the legend, Charizard EX. Put him in the worthless card holder. Does this go like this? Oh, there it goes. Okay, so I'm supposed to put him in there. We'll leave him like that for now. So now we have Obsidian Flames. Held. They evolved. Yuck. Obsidian Flames. How they evolved. And Yuck. And Yuck is base set. And base set, I have not done well with base set. Today could be the day, though. Can't even open base set. That's how bad I do with base set. There's just one. Yep. Okay. Magikarp. Magnemite. Oops. Huh. Monk and Krolf. So close. All right. As we know, I never have first pack magic, so Magikarp, Magnemite. There's that catcher again. Oh, King of Bit. Check him out. And Logan. Okay, Logan. Cool. Very cool. Well, I guess base set did deliver something. But have to see if it's worth anything. Check that out in a little bit. Let's get into Obsidian Flames here. Psych! Energy. Booster. Tedbolt. Ooh. Houndoom. Oddish. And don't know how to pronounce that one. We'll go with Togekiss. Togekiss. I have no idea. Wish I knew. Someday I'll know. Grass. Oddish. Limit. Solrock. Houndoom. Granbull. Houndoom. Oh yeah, they're there. Deja Vu. Woo! Didn't mean to bump the camera. And Pelifin. Alright, so now Paldea evolved. Frankie. The old Super Rod, the old Love Disc. Love Disc always pops up for me in this series. That's a cool card. And so this is the shiny, and here's the reverse of that shiny. That's interesting. Never had that happen before. Our last pack. Psych! Energy. Deadbolt. The Great Ball. Relore. Oh, I don't know what he is. Spidey. The Choice Bell. You got a choice to wear it or not. Pineco. And Jumpluff. Jumpluff. There we go. Well, thanks for watching.